As a stylist, I spend a lot of time packing suitcases for photo shoots. So I'm going to share with you my top tips that I've mastered over the years so that you can learn to pack neatly and lightly without denting your style kudos. Matalan are a one-stop holiday shop with everything that you need. So whether you're packing for a family trip or going away with the girls, follow my top 5 tips to get the most out of your holiday outfits. Packing like a pro starts with a decent suitcase, and Matalan has plenty of options to choose from. I'd go for a hard case for protection, and the 360 wheels makes it super easy to navigate. I love the compression straps because not only does it help you maximise space, but it will keep your neatly folded holiday wardrobe in place. My next tip is to colour theme your holiday wardrobe. So get everything out in place and make sure that each of your separates have got mix and match potential. And following that, pack 3 tops for every pair of bottoms. These denim shorts are brilliant because they literally go with everything, from this bohemian blouse to this gorgeous yellow Bardot top. Other than your poolside sliders, make sure you pack a pair of flats and a pair of heels so that you can cover off every occasion, from day trips to swanky dinners. And another really good tip is to pack each pair heel to toe at the base of your suitcase and then fill in any gaps with all of your accessories. And my final tip is to fill any extra spaces with rolled up swimwear or lingerie.